In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio templates, making your data visualization process smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and make the most out of these dynamic tools. First, to get started, we need to head over to Looker Studio. Simply open up your browser and navigate to the Looker Studio website. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to a multitude of reporting options that can help transform your raw data into visually appealing reports. Looker Studio is a fantastic platform that provides a robust set of tools for data analysis and presentation. Next, on the Looker Studio homepage, look for the template gallery. This is your treasure trove of pre-built templates designed to save you time and effort. The template gallery is usually located on the main menu and is easily accessible. Clicking on it will open up a vast array of templates tailored for different kinds of reports and data presentations. Now, with the template gallery before you, it's time to select a template that best meets your needs. Take your time to browse through the options, whether you're looking to create a comprehensive performance dashboard or a concise report, there's something for everyone. Selecting the right template at this stage will greatly simplify your task and enhance the clarity of your final report. Once you've found a template that stands out to you, go ahead and click on it. This action will provide you with a preview, allowing you to see exactly what you're about to use. It's like trying on the template for size. Ensure the template matches your reporting style and needs. A good template should look good and fit the kind of data you plan to present. After you've confirmed that the template works for your purposes, it's editing time. Click on Edit and Share to dive into the customization phase. This feature allows you to modify the template to better suit your data. You can adjust visuals, add your data sources, and align everything with your brand's aesthetic. The user-friendly interface facilitates these changes and encourages creativity while maintaining a professional look. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the process of using Looker Studio templates. Remember, templates are here to streamline your workflow, allowing you more time to focus on analyzing and interpreting your data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you journey through data analysis with Looker Studio. Feel free to explore more templates, tailor them to your specific needs, and share your stunning reports with colleagues and stakeholders alike. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you harness the power of data visualization tools.